Hello everybody and welcome back on my channel. My name is Alex and today we're gonna make the last components from this sliding gate roller guide. Today we'll make this roller and this washer. And then the nuts we're gonna import them from the library and we're gonna do some editing to them. Okay, so first we'll start with this roller. Let's open a new part. And here let's make this plane white, and now let's open a sketch in the top plane. Here we'll start with two circles. And now it's smart dimension, let's define them. First this one will have 30 millimeters. And this one from inside will have 15. Now go to features, use extruded boss base command. Here we can direction we can keep mid plane, and here the length will be 40 millimeters. Press OK. Now let's select this face, open a sketch, and here select circle. This one will have the diameter 20 millimeters. Now go to features, use extruded cut, and the depth will be 5. Actually the depth will be 4, not 5. Press OK. And now let's add some fillets to this. So select fillet, we'll keep here the radius 1. We'll select this face and this one and press OK. Now let's apply some material to this. This will be from plastic, so we'll not go here this time because I don't know the exact material, what type of plastic is it. So we'll go here on the left at appearance, we'll go to plastic and we'll select this one. Double click on it or left click and drag it and select from here the name. And this is it for this part. Let's save it. Okay, and now let's make the next one, which will be the washer. Open a new part. This is very simple and very easy. Open a sketch in the top plane. And here let's make two circles. Let's define them. This one will have 24. And this one will have 13. Go to features, use extruded boss base command, and the thickness will be 2. Press OK. Now let's apply material to this one. Will also be this material and close. And this is how easy you can make a washer. Let's save it. Okay, and now let's make the assembly. For this, let's open a new SolidWorks document, select here assembly and this one, and now let's import all the components that we just made. And okay. Okay, for now these two, let's make here plain white, and now let's go and import the other ones. We go to insert component existing and browse for them. We have them right here. Press here OK. Alright, now this is the base. This should be fixed. Fix. This one should float. Okay. And now we're gonna need 2 more of this and a lot more of this. So we'll have to multiply this with Control pressed, left click and drag it. With Control pressed, left click and drag it. And now we need 3 more of this. Okay, and now let's assemble them. First select this face with this one and select here concentric. And now this face with this one should coincide. Okay, select this face with this one, select here concentric. And now select this face with this one and select here coincide. Now select this face with this one and select here concentric. Okay, this is good. And now select this face with this one, select here concentric. And now this face with this one should coincide. Now we need 2 of these washers for each of them. So let's select this time this face with this one and select here coincide. And this one with this one also coincide. Now make them both of this concentric. Okay. This with this should be concentric. It should be easy by now to do this because it's the same as the other one. Coincide. And now this concentric. Okay, and now we'll have to import from the library the nuts. So let's go to design library. We'll go to metric nuts, hex nuts. We'll select the style 1. Let's see what other ones we have here. Yes, we'll select this one. So left click and drag it. If we go on the bolt, it should automatically, yeah, it should, but I'm not, it takes too much. So just place it somewhere around here, and then we'll have to select M12, and we'll keep it like this here. Press OK. And now we need 3 more. Okay, and close. And now what we'll have to do is to put one here and one under for each of them. But first let's edit it, because this is too thick. We need it to be a little bit thinner. So to do that, we'll right click on it, select here open part, press here OK. Let's make here plain white. And now we'll have to make this a little bit thinner. To do that, we can see here that this is the extruded for this part. Right click on it, select here edit feature. We can see here the thickness, and we'll make it 7 millimeters. Press OK. And now this is a little bit better. And now let's go back to our assembly. Click here yes. And now all of them are the same thickness. Now we'll have to select one of these round edges with one of these round faces and select here concentric. And now just let's select this edge from the nut with this edge from the bolt and select here tangent. Okay, and something happened. Okay, and now this face with this face and select here coincide. Alright, this is almost finished. Let's do this for all of them. So right now select this face with one of these round faces, select here concentric, and I'll have to drag this one down. Which was it? Okay, just like this. Then select this face with the face from the washer, and this should coincide. And now let's do the same thing for this other part. Or you can make all of this as an assembly separately, and then when you're gonna import them here, you can just control pressed, left click and drag this, and it will automatically multiply with all of the components, and you don't have to make this assembly twice. But this is it now. So select this face with this one and select here concentric. So this round edge should be tangent to this one. Okay, I don't know why this is happening. It seems that my computer doesn't like this. So select this face with this one and select here coincide. Alright, and now the last one. Concentric. And these two faces should coincide. Okay, and now this is almost finished. Now what we'll have to do is to add another mate, which will be kind of a different one for this straight slot right here. To do this, we'll right click on mates and select their edit feature. Now we'll go here to analysis, or not, to mechanical, sorry, to mechanical, and from here we'll select slot. We'll select here free, and then we'll select this slot, and let's select this part. Press here OK, and let's see if this is good. Yep, we can see that it's moving along this slot and not more than that. This is also rotating, which is perfect. Now this is the assembly for this is the tutorial for today. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you liked it, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you and see you next time.